Below the workflow metrics, the bottom of the pane now displays a record of workflow errors. Because it would be impossible to account for every error during the development of your workflow, having a place to gain visibility into new and unexpected errors is important. This section makes it easy to identify the source of errors so that they can be addressed as part of an ongoing maintenance of a production Losant application. Any node execution that results in a path failed that's logged in the above portion of this pane is logged in your metrics as an error. Prior to this, you would need to be monitoring the workflow and debug nodes and troubleshoot manually, likely leading you to miss an error. This feature now allows you to identify the root cause of your error by providing error descriptions and providing a direct link to the node that resulted in a particular execution error. This allows you to figure out where errors are occurring in your workflow with context, and it can assist with troubleshooting and even support requests when coming to the Losant forums.